I focus on Kalashi people because their stories is such a unique story. I didn't never heard something similar, and when you think that such a beautiful and incredible cultural heritage, we are talking about unique embroideries which are really appealing, are at risk of extinction. We recover cultural heritage and we combine it with the Italian aesthetic. You have so many culture in Pakistan that I could spend 2-3 years and still discover new ones. But I also would like to promote a business model which could be applied everywhere. We have involved many women of these communities to work with us, and step by step they start to embroidery. And you have to think that is for the first time their embroidery left their villages and reach a global market. Things that I would like to say, it's absolutely shukriya to this incredible population because of their hospitality, but more than their hospitality, they erase any kind of prejudice of ideas that I had before to come here with their generosity, I would say before.